In this video, we'll show you how to fix the camera shutter lag on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So there are a couple of reasons why the camera shutter lags on Samsung Galaxy phones by default. So the first one is that the camera itself is configured to capture as many details as possible. So when you press it, it takes a half a second more to capture everything that's on the frame. Another reason why this happens is that by default, if you long press on the camera shutter button in photo mode, so I'll just do that, it starts recording a video. So as you can see, it's now recording a video. So when you actually press the shutter button, the camera app is waiting to see if you are long pressing it or just tapping it to take a photo. So this is what causes the lag itself. So there are ways to fix it, fortunately. So what you need to do is open the Galaxy Store app on your phone and then search for the GoodLock app. So it's a free app from Samsung itself. Once you have downloaded the app, simply open it. Now here you will need to scroll down and find this camera assistant module, and you need to download it first. Once you have downloaded it, simply open it. So this is where you will see extra camera settings that are not available in the regular app. So here you will need to first enable this quick tap shutter option. So as you can see, it says it will take the pictures as soon as you tap the shutter button. So this will hopefully fix the lag. Additionally, you also need to turn off this video recording in photo mode, so the camera app doesn't actually wait for you to switch to video mode. So make sure to disable it as well. Once you have done this, simply close the camera app and then reopen it. Once you do this, the camera shutter lag should be gone and you should be able to take photos almost instantly. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.